Today, we are going to unravel the secrets of building massive side delts. We'll break down the science of muscle growth, the precise mechanics of shoulder anatomy, and the training techniques that will fundamentally change your physique. By the end of this guide, you won't just know how to do a lateral raise. You'll understand why it works, how to make it 100 times more effective, and you'll be on the fast track to a set of shoulders that command attention and create that coveted V-taper. This isn't just a workout plan. It's a deep dive into the physiology that will empower you to build a wider, stronger, more aesthetic frame. The journey to epic side delts begins not with a lift, but with a question. What exactly are we trying to build? The shoulder is a complex joint, and the deltoid muscle is made up of three distinct heads: the anterior, front, the medial, side, and the posterior, rear. While most people inadvertently train their front delts through bench presses and overhead presses, the side delts are often neglected, which is a monumental mistake. The side delt, or the medial head, is the primary driver of shoulder width. It's the muscle that gives you that bolder shoulder look, creating a cap that makes your frame appear wider and more powerful. Neglecting this muscle means you're leaving a massive amount of aesthetic potential on the table. Now, let's talk about the single most effective exercise for the side delts: the lateral raise. But here's the twist. Most people are doing it completely wrong. They swing the weights up, using momentum and engaging their traps, turning a focused isolation exercise into a sloppy, inefficient movement. The key to a truly effective lateral raise is not the weight, but the mind-muscle connection and the form. You need to think about pulling the dumbbells apart, not lifting them up. The movement should be controlled, deliberate, and slow. Imagine your elbows are the levers and the dumbbells are just attached to them. Lift the weight to parallel with the floor, or slightly above, keeping a slight bend in your elbow. The tension should be palpable in the side of your shoulder. The eccentric phase, lowering the weight, is just as crucial. Lower it slowly, resisting gravity, to maximize time under tension. The more time the muscle spends under load, the greater the stimulus for growth. This is the simple, yet profound, change that will make all the difference. But wait, there's more. The lateral raise isn't the only tool in the arsenal. To truly maximize growth, you need to hit the side delts from multiple angles and with different loading patterns. A brilliant, underutilized exercise is the cable lateral raise. Why? Because it provides constant tension throughout the entire range of motion, unlike dumbbells where the tension decreases as you lower the weight. Standing with the cable machine to your side, perform the raise just as you would with a dumbbell. The constant pull from the cable ensures that your side delt is working every single millimeter of the movement, from the very bottom to the very top. This is pure, unadulterated tension, and it's a game changer for hypertrophy. Let's talk about another scientific principle: progressive overload. It's the golden rule of muscle growth. You must continually challenge your muscles with new stimulus. This doesn't just mean adding more weight. It can mean increasing the number of reps, the number of sets, or decreasing the rest time between sets. For your side delts, a powerful method is to combine exercises. Start with a heavy, controlled dumbbell lateral raise to prime the muscle, and then immediately move to a lighter, higher representative set of cable lateral raises or even a seated variation. This pre-exhaust method completely fries the muscle, leading to an incredible pump and a powerful growth signal. It's about outsmarting your muscle, not just overpowering it. And now, for a major payoff. The single biggest mistake people make in their shoulder training is a lack of frequency. Your delts can handle more training volume than you think. Since they are smaller muscle groups, they recover faster. Training them once a week is a recipe for slow progress. The most effective approach is to train your side delts 2 to 3 times per week. This provides a consistent stimulus for growth without overtraining. On one day, you might focus on heavy, low representative sets. On another, you might focus on lighter, high representative sets with perfect form. This constant, varied stimulus will shock your muscles into new growth like never before. Remember, consistency and smart frequency are the secret ingredients. Don't be afraid to add a few sets of lateral raises to the end of your chest or back workouts. Your delts are ready for the work, you just need to give it to them. Are you ready to stop training and start building? Begin by implementing these principles into your next workout. Focus on perfect form, increase your frequency, and explore the power of constant tension. The journey to epic shoulders starts with a single, perfect raise. Now, go build your masterpiece.